The purpose of a wiring diagram that is issued by the OEM, original equipment manufacturer, is to show the layout of a circuit or system without regard of the actual appearance of the components or their location in the aircraft. In the example, we see the engine fire detection and alarm system, which is the title of the drawing of a Boeing 747 aircraft. The drawing number is 798, and it was issued on January 25, 1981. The ATA code of this system is 26-11-00. This ATA chapter being the code for fire detection. This schematic is applicable to all B-747 aircraft, as is communicated by the text, effectively all, in the bottom left corner of the schematic. You will notice that all system components have been given a name, but the position of the components is not specified.